Smokin Wanjala. Remember, Smokin Wanjala has been a judge at the Supreme Court for from the year 2012 to the year 2022 right now. So he has got a very good experience at the Supreme Court after presiding over the 2013 presidential petition and also presiding over the 2017 presidential petition and also the second 2017 presidential petition. And this will be the fourth time that Smokin Wanjala will be presiding over a presidential petition. Now, Smokin Wanjala is a Kenyan lawyer and an associate justice of the Supreme Court of Kenya. He holds a PhD in law from the University of Ghent, Belgium. He also holds a Master's of Law degree from the Columbia University in the United States and a Bachelor of Laws degree from the University of Nairobi. Wanjala lectured at the University of Nairobi for 15 years, where he taught international law, international human rights law, land law, and criminal law. Now let's talk about the anti-corruption work by Smokin Wanjala. Wanjala served as a deputy director in charge of the prevention of the now defunct Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission. He was appointed to the position on 9 September 2004 for a period of 5 years and was responsible for research, policy, and preventive service. He resigned on 18 September 2009 due to public outcry following the irregular reappointment alongside his boss Aaron Ringera and the fellow deputy director Fatuma Shichale by the then president Mwai Kibaki. Wanjala regularly lectured at the International Anti-Corruption Academy IACA in Luxembourg, Austria. Now, what is the journey and how was he appointed a judge at the Supreme Court? Appointment to the Supreme Court. In June 2012, he was among the 5 justices nominated to the inaugural bench of the Supreme Court of Kenya by the Judicial Service Commission, which had interviewed 25 applicants. Let's take a look at his Supreme Court career. When the first round of the presidential election took place on March 4th, the year 2013, it resulted into 2 front runners, Uhuru of Jubilee and Raila Odinga of CORD, clinching 50.6% and 43.7% of the votes respectively. Uhuru Kenyatta was declared the president-elect of Kenya by the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission. Raila Odinga challenged this in the Supreme Court of Kenya. Wanjala was one of the 6 judges who dismissed the petition on March 30, 2013. The highly awaited verdict given amid great tension in the country was rendered in favor of Uhuru Kenyatta and was a unanimous decision that was given by the Supreme Court judges. Now in September 2017, he was one of the 4 judges who voted to nullify President Uhuru Kenyatta's win in the August 2017 presidential election. And now Smokin Wanjala has also got another responsibility. Just as the Constitution gives him, he will be presiding over this particular presidential election, and we are waiting for his verdict. Remember, the Supreme Court, all judges will give their independent judgment on this particular presidential petition that begins today. This time round, it is going to be a little bit different. Remember, Justice William Ouko is on board, and also the newly